You flew all the way to Vung Tau? Don't spend 24 hours in the hotel room. Here are 5 spots you need to check out between workshops and parties. Number 1, Christ the King's statue. Yes, it's 800 steps. Treat it like leg day. The view from the shoulder is the best in the city. Go early before it gets hot. Number 2, the lighthouse. Do not walk up here. Save your legs for dancing. Take a taxi to the top for the sunset. It's the chillest vibe in town. Number 3, Cape Ningfong. This is the famous gateway to heaven. You need this shot for your Instagram. Just be ready to fight the wind. Number 4, White Palace, Bach Ding. If you want classy, European-style photos, come here. It's an old French mansion with beautiful gardens and sea views. Number 5, Sunrise at Back Beach. Look, the party finishes at 5 a.m. anyway. Don't go to sleep yet. Walk to the beach and watch the sun come up. It's magical. Explore the city, then get back to the dance floor. Subscribe to Wolf for more festival tips.